Stumbled across a ZLD file from a classic interactive fiction collection? This is a Z Machine version 6 story file, used for some of the more graphical Infocom-era text adventures. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through running these Z-Code v6 game files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful ZLD file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. Users encounter ZLD files when trying to play classic text-based adventure games, particularly those from Infocom's later era. Their primary goal is to find a compatible Z machine interpreter, like Frotz or Lectrote, that can execute the game's logic and display the text narrative on modern operating systems. The ZLD format is a bytecode-based virtual machine file designed for the Z machine. This architecture allowed Infocom to write a game once and have it run on any computer with a compatible interpreter. The file contains game logic, text strings, and object data in a compact platform-agnostic binary format. The default, recognized opener for ZLD files is known to be Frotz from the Frotz development team. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot inspect bundled game resources, so specialized extraction applications must be used. To force file access, right-click your ZLD file and select Open With. If Frotz is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your ZLD file will not open, do not worry. This ZLD file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error source. First, playing in a Z machine interpreter. Install a Z machine interpreter such as Frotz Gargoyle or Windows Frotz. Launch the interpreter and use File then Open to load the ZLD file. The interpreter executes the Z-code instructions presenting the interactive fiction game with text input prompts and graphical windows where supported. Next, using Gargoyle for enhanced display. Open the ZLD file in Gargoyle, which provides typographically refined display of interactive fiction. Gargoyle automatically detects the Z machine version and configures appropriate windowing for v6 games. Configure fonts colors and window sizing through the Gargoyle preferences for an optimal reading experience. Finally, renaming for compatibility. Try renaming the ZLD extension to .z6 or .zblorb, which are more standard Z machine v6 file extensions. Most modern interpreters expect these extensions for proper format detection. After renaming, open the file in Frotz or Gargoyle, which will recognize and execute the version 6 Z code without issue. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.